Hi guys, so it's that time of the year again where I have to clean out my closet and switch back into fall winter clothes. Honestly, it's September now and it's gonna stay winter clothes until like March, April of next year. I'm really hoping to get rid of a lot of things because I need space for my realtor clothes, and also I grew out of a lot of my pants. I don't know if it's from the gym or just growing, or I've washed the jeans so many times that like we just gotta size up from now on. I didn't like 100% want to vlog today, but I really need to, you know, make some content, but also I'll give you guys some life updates as I do this. I store all of my clothes under my bed for switching them out. Yeah, like this is all shorts. This entire thing is filled with shorts, which we don't need anymore. And you know, the thing is, a lot of those are tight or just uncomfortable, and I hate getting rid of things though. It's really hard for me. So this takes like 2 to 3 hours. It is not fun. So this is one thing and another. Yay. So there's 2 and there is another one. Like, dude, there's so much stuff under my bed that it is. Oh, okay. Oh, well, I'll wash that. So an animal definitely got into the chocolate that was under my bed. It was packaged. So imagine I just find like a dead animal under here. Magnetic vent mount. So I have just like a bunch of storage bins. Yeah, this wasn't opened by a human. Like, fuck. Good thing I don't sleep here anymore. Okay. Alright, I need to pause. I need to pause this video. Fuck, dude. I mean, I live in a really old house, so there's critters. I need to fucking pause this video. I'm gonna throw this whole bucket out. Sounds good to me. I told my dad to... Ooh! Oh my god, you scared the living shit out of me. Hi. Do you know that I'm scared to find a rat in here, and you think... This video already took a turn. Like, I'm really over this shit. My boyfriend might like these LED strips. You know the things you get for Christmas and you're like, I don't feel like using those. Woo, 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 woo. I got a trash bag here. Perfect. I'll come back when this is done. So this has been under my bed since like I was 14. It's this really weird bag. It looks like a lunch cooler bag. I think it's Dakota's mom's, because I needed a bag when like we would meet up because we were long distance, and then I needed a bag or something. This guinea pig stuffy. This was from like one of my first dance recitals. Birthday cards. This one's from Kylie. I love like handwritten birthday cards. I was your secret Santa, Kylie. Summer bucket list I made with Cheyenne. Stargaze on a roof, fall in love, save money. So this is kind of just like memories. How much did I spend? $130? What? This is the third one. I'm saying goodbye to my first purse ever. Ever. I was obsessed with this thing. Size 7.5. Whew. Those puppies are tight. Honestly, like, that was when I was in modeling school, and I think they still fit enough, so we'll keep them. Ugly scrunchies, when scrunchies were the most popular thing ever. Have these American flag flip-flops. Santa hat, we need that. This shirt that if I threw it out, I should really just mail it to Dakota. I don't have the FaceTime app? What do you mean? So these heels are, they're so old. Oh my god. A 7. I definitely will not fit a 7. This is terrifying. Oh my god. I'm actually doing a good job with donating stuff that just doesn't fit me anymore. Time to start hanging sweaters. Okay, so I made so much progress from that last clip. We got all my sweaters out. I put most of my bikinis away. Like, I will always keep my favorite tank tops, my favorite bikinis. Like, I'll keep them reachable, but most things go under my bed. The last thing is to color code my closet, but this entire bucket is donate, which is really impressive. Put less hoodies there. This is all my sweaters. Like I said, I'm gonna color code them. And everything's gone on the floor, you know. It's just a lot cleaner. That actually was way quicker than I expected. That was way easier. On my way back to you. Oh, another thing is, I've never had this happen to a Canon battery. Yeah, so I got like 2 of these batteries. They're not the Canon brand. It was just like 40 bucks, so that's probably why that happened, but it's called First Power, so don't get them. Although it's not really cold out yet, I kind of want to get that over with because school is cold. I'm in class freezing my butt off, and you know, I'm in there 4 days a week, so I wanted to get like my sweaters and stuff. There's a lot more that I could get rid of. Like, that closet is full to the brim. I still cannot believe that I had granola bars. I always keep snacks in my room, but it was really stupid to put those under my bed. But like I said, I don't sleep here, so my dad's gonna put some traps. I'm trying to think. I wanted to use this as an opportunity to give you some life updates. So I've been feeling more like myself again as far as just my emotional feelings go. Getting off that medicine was a great idea. I'm more productive, I'm more happy, I'm more motivated to do YouTube. I have to say, oh yeah, this whole fucking issue with my Activision account went so wrong. If you follow me on Twitter, I updated everyone on there, but so my account got hacked. The hacker went in there, cheated on multiple games, and it was my fault for not catching it early enough. I could have caught it early. I wasn't really worried because all my accounts were getting hacked, and I was like, oh, this one too. You know, I didn't think that I would get banned. Discord didn't ban me when I got hacked in there. Then my dumbass purchased Black Ops 6 beta, and I didn't know that. I should have known. I couldn't launch the game. I couldn't even see the game anywhere because I was banned on that launcher. And so I was really upset because it was $75 and I just wanted to play the beta for YouTube. It's not like I'm broke, but I hate wasting money. You know what I mean? It's one thing if I got value out of it, but I couldn't even open this game. So then I go on the PlayStation support chat where you wait like 30 minutes to talk to a PlayStation worker, and this frustrated me so much. She said, oh, it's downloaded, so you can't get a refund because it's downloaded. Maybe because MW3 is downloaded, dumbass, and it's all in the same launcher. Hello. It's literally just Call of Duty now. They're not separate at all. So yeah, it's downloaded. This worker was like, you can't get a refund, it's downloaded, you need to talk to Activision about your situation, which Activision. So the next day I'm like, shit, maybe I should talk to Activision. So I already put in a ban appeal, but then I put in a hacker appeal. I guess there was 2 different things. This one actually did something for me. His name was Danny. He removed the accounts of the hacker off of my Activision because there was like a battle.net account or a Discord account that was like Mango something. It was not me. And then I didn't want to give up because $75 is a lot. So I went on the same PlayStation chat just 2 days later, but But this time, this worker actually had brain cells and was like, oh, actually, she didn't ask me any questions. She said, what game do you need a refund on? I said, Black Ops 6 beta. She said, okay, here's your money. That's how it should be. I cannot believe, like, you can return anything anywhere in the real world, but when it comes to the PlayStation Store, it's like, oh, thank God. I was so frustrated. I was so upset, dude. A fan of this game for so long. And then I'm watching Jev play Black Ops 6, and I've never been so disappointed because it's the same launcher. Okay, we got different maps, but that shit looks the same with different color. Even like the home screen of them, the characters just walking and walking. You couldn't do something else? It looks so similar to MW3. Just put some color on it, change the maps. I wanted something new, repetitive. And this is the first year where I'm like, you know what, I got my money back and I might not buy the game, because most likely I'm gonna have to make a new Activision account, a new PlayStation account, a new PlayStation Plus. I don't give a shit to do that. Other than that, like I said, I'm back to school Monday through Thursday, and then most of those days I work a few hours after. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing my fall closet. I don't feel like color coding right now, so I mean, as far as gaming goes, I really don't know anymore. I like a lot of dreams that I had, I kind of just fell out of love with them. You know, I used to want to be a dancer, used to want to be a model, YouTuber, gaming content creator, and now I'm jumping into real estate agent as my dream career, trying to do my best. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one.